Hi everyone, I'm doing my video from Titusville, Florida. Look, it is river, it is old boat. It is, no, it is not very alive. One man wants to go inside to live there probably. I kidding, it is not. And here is park and there is sunset. Today is February 1st, 2025. And today is not very cold in Titusville, Florida. Beautiful weather. How's weather in your place? How do you do? How are you today? And I will show you this beautiful view. I'll change my camera. Look, it is sunset, palm tree, marina. There is boats. Here is park.
This pop-up house on this van.
Oh yes, it is vehicle with small house on top. Tent. Good for travel, right? Is it good for travel?
I guess, yeah. Yep.
Okay, and here is water and boats on water too. Sometimes you can see dolphins. Sometimes you see people walk here with dogs. And today I wear my beautiful shoes with flowers, embroidery. And I wish you a good day today. Thank you for subscribing, comment and watching. I think I can share with you some views of beautiful Florida town. There is bridge, palm tree. I send you warm weather and send you some positive energy and happiness vibrations.
But I keep waiting for it to come up and it never came back up again.
Wow.
Unless it was a shark and it just came up for a little bit.
No, sharks are two fins. One on the back, one on the front.
She said she saw one shark. She saw shark.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Yes, dolphins. Dolphins
Said
here.
it was very close, right?
Somewhere here, very close.
But probably moved on by now.
Maybe I don't see now here. Maybe I will not see nothing here. And I see beautiful sunset. My husband with me, but he prefer don't be on my camera because it is not his interest to be YouTube star.
That's right.
Only, okay, it is another boat after hurricane. Hurricane was in September
Of 2024.
of 2024.
This thing is still sitting here.
This thing is still sitting here.
You know somebody's living in it.
Somebody living there. Because you see this curtain there. And probably bomb is there. And other boats there. Okay. Thank you for your time. And see you soon. I will see you soon. I wish you a good day. Smile. Don't forget smile today. Tomorrow too. Smile gives you good sensation. And doesn't matter where you are and how old are you. Please be happy, okay? Bye. Bye bye. I love you.